How to make money online in 2025. 7 realistic methods that actually work. What if I told you that right now? While you're watching this video, thousands of people are earning their first dollar online. But here's the thing, 95% of make money online content is complete garbage. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you 7 realistic ways to actually make money online in 2025. I'm not going to promise you'll make $10,000 in your first month, because that's not realistic for most people. What I will show you are proven methods that real people are using right now to build sustainable income streams. Some of these you can start today with zero investment. Others might take a few months to build up. We'll cover everything from beginner-friendly options that require no special skills to more advanced strategies for those ready to invest time and effort. I'll also share the biggest mistakes people make and how to avoid them. So grab a notebook, because we're about to dive deep. Let's start with the most accessible option, selling your skills as a freelancer. The freelance economy is absolutely massive in 2025, and it's not just for designers and writers anymore. The highest demand skills right now include content creation, social media management, virtual assistants, basic web design, video editing, and even simple tasks like data entry or customer service. Here's what's changed. Businesses are specifically looking for people who understand AI tools and can work efficiently with them. Start with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, but don't stop there. The real money is in finding clients directly through LinkedIn, local business networking, or even cold outreach. I know someone who started offering simple PowerPoint design services for $25 per presentation and now runs a 6-figure design agency. First, pick one skill and get really good at it before expanding. Second, always over-deliver on your first few projects to build reviews. Third, don't compete on price. Compete on value and reliability. A business would rather pay $100 for someone who delivers on time than $20 for someone who disappears. You can realistically make $500 to $2,000 in your first month if you're consistent. After 6 months of building your reputation, $2,000 to $5,000 per month is very achievable for most people. Content creation isn't just about going viral anymore. It's about building an audience that trusts you. And the barrier to entry has never been lower. Pick one platform to start. YouTube for long-form content, TikTok or Instagram for short-form, or LinkedIn for professional content. The key is consistency over perfection. I've seen accounts with simple phone-recorded videos outperform expensive productions because they focused on value and consistency. There are multiple ways to monetize: ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or courses, and direct fan support through platforms like Patreon. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams. Educational content, behind-the-scenes content, and solving specific problems for your audience consistently outperform entertainment content for monetization. Find your niche, whether that's personal finance, cooking, tech reviews, or even organizing tips, and become the go-to person for that topic. Content creation is not passive income, despite what some gurus claim. Successful creators typically spend 20 to 40 hours per week creating, editing, and engaging with their audience. But the upside is massive. Top creators in specific niches can earn 6 or 7 figures annually. Start documenting your existing knowledge or skills. If you're learning something new, document that journey. People love following along with someone who's slightly ahead of them rather than an expert who seems unreachable. Digital products have incredible margins. Create once, sell forever. We're talking about ebooks, courses, templates, software tools, or even simple checklists and guides. Look at what you already know that others don't. Maybe you're great at organizing, budgeting, using specific software, or you have experience in a particular industry. There's probably someone willing to pay to learn what you know. Here's a mistake most people make. They spend months creating a product before validating if anyone wants it. Instead, start by posting about your expertise and gauge interest. Run a pre-sale or create a simple lead magnet to test demand. Use platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or even just a simple website with payment processing. For courses, Udemy can provide initial exposure, but building your own platform gives you more control and higher margins. Your first digital product might only make a few $100s, but it's a foundation. I know creators who started with a $27 PDF guide and now have multiple course programs generating six figures annually. The key is starting simple and iterating based on feedback. E-commerce is absolutely viable in 2025, but it's more competitive than ever. The days of randomly picking products and expecting success are over. Successful e-commerce now requires either unique products, excellent branding, or serving very specific niches. Print on demand is particularly accessible. You can sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through platforms like Printify or Printful without holding inventory. Traditional dropshipping from AliExpress is much harder now due to long shipping times and quality issues. However, domestic dropshipping or working with reliable suppliers can still work if you focus on branding and customer service. Don't believe the start with $100 claims. Realistically, you need $1,000 to $3,000 to properly test products, run ads, and handle initial inventory if you're doing traditional e-commerce. Print on demand can be started with much less. Focus on solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. Research your competition, understand your customer, and be prepared to invest time in marketing and customer service. This isn't passive income, it's building a real business. The shift to remote work has created unprecedented opportunities. Companies are hiring globally for positions they used to fill locally.
Customer service, virtual assistants, content moderation, social media management, basic bookkeeping, and online tutoring are consistently in demand. Many of these don't require advanced degrees or certifications. Remote.co, FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and even traditional job boards like Indeed now have strong remote sections. Don't overlook company websites directly. Many businesses prefer direct applications over job board applications. Since you're competing globally, emphasize reliability, communication skills, and any experience with remote collaboration tools. A strong internet connection and professional home office setup are now basic requirements. Entry-level remote positions typically start at $12 to $18 per hour, but specialized roles can command $25 to $50 plus per hour. The key advantage is the global job market. You're not limited by your local economy. While most online income requires active work, there are legitimate ways to build passive income streams over time. Real passive income usually comes from investments, dividend stocks, REITs, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or M1 Finance make investing accessible with small amounts. Some people build passive income through buying and holding domain names, creating stock photography portfolios, or building affiliate websites. These require upfront work but can generate income over time. The key to investment income is time and consistency. Even investing $100 per month in diversified index funds can build substantial wealth over decades due to compound growth. Be extremely cautious of any opportunity promising high returns with no work or risk. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven investment vehicles and gradually increase your financial education. Any opportunity requiring upfront payment, promising unrealistic returns, or pressuring you to recruit others is likely a scam. Legitimate opportunities pay you, not the other way around. The biggest mistake is jumping between methods instead of focusing on one long enough to see results. Another major error is not treating online work like a real business. You still need to track income, pay taxes, and maintain professionalism. Before starting any online venture, research the company, read reviews from multiple sources, and start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always have a backup plan. Success online takes time, just like any other business or career. Most successful online entrepreneurs took months or years to build substantial income. Be patient with the process, but impatient with your daily actions. Making money online in 2025 is absolutely possible, but it requires the same dedication and smart planning as any other income source. Start with your existing skills, be consistent, and focus on providing genuine value to others. Choose one method from today's video that resonates with you. Don't try to do everything at once. Set a 30-day goal. Maybe it's landing your first freelance client, posting content daily for a month, or researching a digital product idea. The most successful people online treat it like building a real business or career, not a quick money grab. Invest in learning, be patient with results, and always prioritize helping others solve their problems. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The person making six figures from their online business started with 0 followers, 0 clients, and 0 income. The difference between them and everyone else? They started and stayed consistent. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. I read every comment and love helping people on their online income journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into next video topic. Until then, take action on what you learned today.